If you want to insert your SIM card into Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone, because over here we can find the SIM tray. So this is where the SIM tray is. We also have this SIM tray hole, and we need to use an eject tool, and we need to put it into this SIM tray hole over here. You don't want to mistake it with this hole over here, because this is the microphone. So if you use eject tool and put it into the microphone, you will there is a chance that you will damage the microphone. So put it into this hole over here, and then once you put it in, you want to apply a little bit of pressure to push it into the phone so that the SIM tray can slightly pop out. Then use your fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray from the phone completely. And now over here we have our SIM card slot. Unfortunately, there is one SIM card slot on this phone. We can use only one SIM card, but we should be able to put it in quite easily. And then once it is in, you can of course put the SIM tray back into the phone. There we go. And just push it all the way in with your finger and make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. Leave a like and subscribe.